The train rattled along the tracks, carrying Arav to a new destination. He was excited. He was on a journey to find stories.
मैं एक लेखक हूँ। मैंने हाल ही में अपनी किताब का पहला भाग पूरा किया है। अब मैं दूसरे भाग के लिए प्रेरणा की तलाश में हूँ।
He hoped to fill it with tales of life and adventure. Arav looked out of the window. The world flew by in a blur of colors. He thought about the characters he had created. He wondered what new adventures awaited them.
यह यात्रा मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। मुझे पता है कि मुझे रास्ते में कई कहानियां मिलेंगी।
The train was full of people. Each person had a story to tell. Arav was eager to listen. He knew that every encounter could inspire him. He opened his notebook and took a deep breath. The journey had begun. Arav soon met a young woman named Kavya. She was passionate about the environment. Kavya was on her way to a conference. She wanted to learn about ways to protect nature.
मुझे आपकी समर्पण देखकर बहुत प्रभावित हुआ हूँ।
They talked for hours. Kavya shared her dreams of a greener world. She spoke of the challenges she faced. Arav listened intently. He knew her story was important. It deserved to be told.
मैं एक हरियाली वाली दुनिया का सपना देखती हूँ, लेकिन इसके लिए कई चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ता है।
In the next seat, a young man was nervously preparing for a job interview. His name was Rahul. He was a recent graduate. Rahul was worried about his future. Arav understood his anxiety. He had faced similar challenges when he was starting out.
मुझे पता है कि यह समय कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है। खुद पर विश्वास रखना बहुत जरूरी है।
Arav decided to help Rahul. He shared his own experiences. He told him about the importance of believing in himself. Rahul felt a surge of hope. He was grateful for Arav's kindness.
आपका धन्यवाद आरव, आपने मुझे नई उम्मीद दी है।
As the train journeyed on, Arav met an elderly gentleman named Mishraji. Mishraji had a peaceful aura. He spent his time listening to music on his old cassette player. Arav was curious about him. He gathered the courage to start a conversation.
नमस्ते मिश्रा जी, आप किस तरह का संगीत सुन रहे हैं?
Mishraji smiled warmly. He shared his love for music. He spoke about how music had been his companion throughout his life. Mishraji had faced many challenges, but he always found solace in music.
संगीत ने हमेशा मेरे जीवन में शांति और सुकून लाया है। मैंने कई चुनौतियों का सामना किया है, लेकिन संगीत ने मुझे हमेशा सहारा दिया है।
Arav listened to Mishraji's stories. He realized that every life was filled with melodies. Some were happy and some were sad, but together they created a unique symphony. Arav was inspired by Mishraji's wisdom.
आपकी बातें सुनकर मुझे बहुत प्रेरणा मिली मिश्रा जी।
The journey had become more than just a train ride. It was a tapestry of human experiences, woven together by stories, dreams, and melodies. Section 4. Stories. Find their way. As the train approached its destination, Arav felt a sense of contentment. He had met some remarkable people on his journey. Each encounter had touched him deeply. He had learned about their struggles, their passions, and their dreams.
I opened my notebook. It was filled with scribbles and notes. I'd captured the essence of their stories. I knew I would use these experiences to enrich my writing. Every conversation had sparked new ideas.
Arav realized that stories were everywhere. They were hidden in the ordinary moments of life. All he had to do was to observe, listen, and learn. He looked out of the window as the train slowed down. His heart was full of gratitude for the journey. Section 5. The Journey. Inward. The train came to a halt. Arav disembarked, feeling refreshed and invigorated. He realized that this journey had been more than just about finding stories for his book. It had been about self-discovery.
I had learned about empathy, compassion, and the power of human connection. I had always been a keen observer, but this journey had opened my eyes to the beauty of everyday life. I had learned that everyone had a story to tell, and sometimes the most profound stories were found in the most unexpected places.
Arav took a deep breath and smiled. He was excited to start writing the next chapter of his book. He knew that it would be filled with the wisdom, humor, and hope that he had found on his journey. Arav had discovered that the most inspiring journeys were often the ones that led us back to ourselves, and he was grateful for every moment of it.